They told you a lie. They said that to master a new skill, whether it's learning a new language, coding, or playing the guitar, you need 10,000 hours. 10,000 hours. That is 5 years of working a full-time job. When you hear that number, what do? You give up before you even start. It feels like standing at the bottom of Mount Everest looking up. It feels impossible. But imagine a soldier on the battlefield. There are two types. First, the machine gunner. He sprays thousands of bullets everywhere, hoping to hit something. He makes a lot of noise, wastes a lot of ammo, but hits very little. That is how you usually learn. Watching random tutorials, buying books you never read. Then, there is the sniper. The sniper waits. He is silent. He doesn't fire 1,000 bullets. He fires one. And that one shot hits the target with 100% precision. What if I told you that you don't need 10,000 hours to get good? You only need 20 hours, if you learn like a sniper. This is based on the research of Josh Kaufman. The 10,000-hour rule is for becoming a world-class master. But you don't need to be world-class. You just want to be good enough to use the skill. The learning curve looks like a steep cliff. The first few hours are the hardest. But if you can survive the first 20 hours of focused, sniper-like practice, you will go from knowing nothing to being better than 80% of the population. Here are the 3 steps to activate the sniper rule. Step number 1. Adjust the scope. A sniper never looks at the whole battlefield. They zoom in on a tiny target. Most people say, I want to learn Spanish. That is a machine gunner goal. It's too big. You will fail. A sniper says, I want to learn the 1,000 most common words in Spanish so I can have a 15-minute conversation. See the difference? Before you start, break the skill down. What are the few critical sub-skills that give you 80% of the results? If you want to play guitar, don't learn music theory. Just learn the 4 chords, G, C, D, M, that make up 90% of pop songs. Zoom in, ignore the rest. Step number 2, pull the trigger. This is where everyone fails. Most people spend weeks preparing. They watch YouTube videos about coding. They read blogs about fitness. That is not learning. That is procrastination in disguise. You are polishing the gun, but you never shoot. The sniper rule requires active recall. You must struggle. Don't just watch a tutorial. Close the video and try to do it yourself. It will feel uncomfortable. You will make mistakes. That is good. That feeling of frustration? That is your brain physically rewiring itself. If it feels easy, you aren't learning. You are just watching entertainment. Step number 3. The 20-hour kill zone. Kaufman calls this the frustration barrier. When you first start, you will suck. And because you suck, you will feel stupid. Your brain will scream at you to stop and go check TikTok. This is why you need a pre-commitment. Commit to just 20 hours. That's 45 minutes a day for about a month. Or 2 days of intense work. Tell yourself, I am not allowed to quit until I hit hour number 20. Once you cross that line, the magic happens. The confusion fades. The skill becomes natural. You stop fighting the tool and start using it. The world is full of machine gunners, people who are busy, learning, but never actually acquire new skills. Be the sniper, pick one target, zoom in, pull the trigger, and give it 20 hours of pure focus. You'll be amazed at who you become on the other side. I am BetterDay. Unsubscribe from the noise and subscribe to focus. See you in the next video.